Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is my 10-inch palette, which is basically just a canvas, on a 14-inch pre-primed with mead and black gloss canvas, and I'm going to use Colourarte White Pearl, Colourarte 24 karat gold, oops, some Quinacridone Nickel Gold by Golden, some Golden Iridescent Gold, some saffron, some Rhapsody Rose, which I'm almost out of, unfortunately, some Tickled Pink, some, oh, I forgot the Frosted Berry. Oh well, do it now. Some Orange Crush, and last but, well, maybe not least, who knows, Red Violet. I want some more of something, but I'm not sure what it is. I think a little Dancing Fuchsia is in order. Now I'm going to take my spatula and my white cell activator. I'm going to use both black and white, I think. I could use turquoise too. They're both made with Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam. I'm going to do that again, I think. I should have put it on the tip though. Maybe I can move that down. I want more black. I'm really surprised that didn't sell. So I'm going to grab some white and my little acetate tool. See if I can fix that. Move my cell activators out of the way. I kind of want to dump part of this. I'm not sure that that's a good idea yet. I hadn't really decided completely 100% what I was going to do. But instead of a dustpan, I've got this piece of packaging. If you don't move too fast and you don't release your paint all at once, you get better cells. Just to let it slide right out on its own. I was talking about putting some paint in the back. And this is what I mean by that. kind of worked. They look like feathers. I'm doing a bunch of these and I like to use something different every time. Now I'm inclined for a second to give that an opportunity to spread. Kind of want to nudge it. I think that'll do for now. It's good to wipe off the bottom. It looks like some sort of majorly exotic leaf to me. That was sort of messy. I had to try it though. Alright, I've got some paint I want to remove. What am I going to do with it? I'm not sure. I like the points on the top of my... I think I'm going to do this. Which may or may not have been a good idea. I'll camouflage my indiscretion here. Which is definitely kind of cool. This could be a really short video. My silicone rubber brushes are very handy for all kinds of things. I'm going to take my tool, put it in the bucket, grab whatever paint I've got left, see if there's someplace I want to put it down. I think that's going to be it, except for I've got more paint on my edge. I could probably just smear that into the canvas and be pretty happy. There we go. It's a good place to put it. I think that's okay. I'm very greedy for paint. And that, as they say, is that. I'm going to torch really quick. Loving the patterns. Cool. I'm happy. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linktree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.